Hi, in this video we are going to go over where you will click so that your student can watch the videos in the afternoon, or if they miss a Google Meet for whatever reason, they can also click on the lesson and there should be a video there that I have pre-recorded so that they can follow along and complete the lesson and activity with me. So again, your student, when they open their computer and log on and click Google Chrome, our OSSD Elementary Learning Hub will pop up. They will scroll to the RES Wizards. After that, they're scrolling down to the Panda, which is our classroom, Learning Hub, and then they will click on the Bitmoji Classroom, and it will bring us to the day of the week. So, for instance, tomorrow they will be watching a video on breathing buddies. This will be hyperlinked. They will click on it, it will bring them to YouTube, and they will watch the video of me modeling how to do breathing buddies and the activity to go with it. Again, if they miss any lesson, it will be hyperlinked. They can click on it, watch the lesson, and complete the activity. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Thanks.